Kids channel!
Yay!
Yay! Today, look at Miss Agnes holds something on her hand.
Wow, we're going to sing together!
Yeah. We want to sing what song, Miss Agnes?
Mr. Sun!
Mr. Sun, are you ready?
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Boo! These little children are asking you, so please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Okay, wow, we are done with singing. Now, yes, goodbye to ukuleles. Goodbye.
Ukulele.
Now, Miss Mori wants to tell you something. We want to make one cute toy.
What is that?
Look at here. Look. Wow.
Miss Mori has a tube.
Yes, you can use it unused tube or any cardboard at home. And then the second one, you need to print out the pictures.
The pictures.
The
The picture
picture.
of caterpillar
And the fruit.
The fruit.
And the third one, you also need the glue.
Oh, we need glue stick.
Yes.
Okay.
And
What's
What's
next,
this?
Miss? Whoa,
a
scissor.
And the last
The
one,
last one, we
you
will need
need a cutter.
a cutter.
But
you
don't
need to be
forget-
careful with the cutter,
Yes.
okay?
You can ask mommy or daddy to help you, yeah, with the cutter.
Mhm.
Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to cut the paper
Cut the paper. Let's separate the fruits.
with the
from the
caterpillar.
caterpillar.
Yes.
We'll cut it.
Miss Agnes will help you to cut it. You can cut by yourself, okay?
Cut.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this.
Yay. I will paste it on the tube.
With the glue.
Wow.
Like
It's
this.
Okay. Miss
Yes.
Mori, can you help me to glue it?
Yes.
Okay. That's enough.
Okay, now you can pass it again.
Paste it.
Pass the paper.
Hup, hup.
I think you need to
To
cut
cut
it.
it. Cut
Yeah,
the
just
paper.
a little bit.
Cut
Here.
a little bit. Here, Miss
I
Mori
will help
me.
you.
Cut, and cut.
Cut.
Okay.
Ta-da! Can you see the caterpillar?
Hungry caterpillar.
And don't forget to make the hole on the top.
On the lid.
Yeah, on the lid by using this cutter. But you need to ask your mommy or daddy. Yeah. Now, Miss Agnes will cut another fruits.
I will cut
One
out
by
the fruit
one.
one by one.
And after that, we can put it inside the tube.
Wow.
Yeah, we want to fit the Mr. Hungry Caterpillar here.
I
The
have
first one,
watermelon.
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 Good
Put
job.
it here.
And the second fruit will be.
Can you guess?
What is that? The color is
What
red.
is this? It's red and yummy.
Yes.
It can be sweet or
Sour.
sour.
The
What is
second
this?
one.
Wow!
It's a
strawberry.
Strawberry.
I still have more fruit.
And the third one, the color is very different. It's not
Same
red
like
anymore.
our T-shirt, Miss.
Yes, like this.
Yeah.
Let's
what
see,
is
yeah.
this?
The third one will be
Orange.
How about the fourth one? Let's
What
see.
is this?
Oh, I can see the color is green.
green. Can you
Yeah.
guess? What
What's
fruit is this?
that?
I like this fruit.
This one tastes sweet.
It's pear.
Yeah, it's a pear. How about the last
And the
one?
last one, the color is red.
Red.
And it starts with letter A.
Huh?
A
A.
is for.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! A is for apple.
Now, Miss Agnes will feed the Mr. Hungry Caterpillar. Miss Mori
Okay.
will hold it, okay?
I will
Like
feed
this.
all the fruits to the caterpillar.
Yes. The first one.
Apple. give him
Oh,
pear.
I'm still hungry. I need more.
I will give you pear, caterpillar. Be ready.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I still feel hungry.
Huh? You want more?
Yes, I want
Okay.
more, Miss Agnes.
I will give you strawberry.
Oh, I like strawberry.
for caterpillar. Be ready.
Are you ready? Oh, no. It's sour, Miss Agnes, but I'm still hungry.
Okay, I will give you more. Orange. The caterpillar is still hungry. I only have one more watermelon. This is the last one, okay? I don't have more.
It's fine.
This is the last.
See, you can make these easy toys at home.
Yes,
okay?
and you can play it at home with your mommy or your daddy.
Yeah. Good luck, kids, and try it, okay?
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Don't forget
Don't
to
forget
subscribe and give your thumbs up.
to Mora Kids channel.
Yay!